मैं इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं कहना चाहूँगा बाकी कंपनी के बारे में, तो माय सन एंड ऑल माय कलीग्स विल एक्सप्लेन यू। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
नमस्कार। हम लोग सॉरी हैं, थोड़ा लेट हो गए स्टार्ट करने में। मैं लोहिया कॉर्प लिमिटेड के बारे में बात करूँगा। We were established in 1981 as a joint venture between Lohia family of India and Stalinger of Austria to produce circular weaving and winding machines, raffia sector के लिए। Raffia is woven plastics which has various packaging and non-packaging applications. In 1984, we signed up another collaboration agreement with a German company called Windmoller Holscher to produce tape extrusion lines again for the raffia industry. आज की डेट में we have over 2,000 customers annually in more than 100 countries. Our product portfolio, we offer end-to-end solution for the raffia industry. अगर मैं cement bag का example लूँ to explain the process of raffia manufacturing, so polymer goes into a tape extrusion line to produce tape yarn. ये textile type का yarn होता है, flat tape होता है। ये bobbin, इसके bobbin बनते हैं tape winder में। These bobbin then go to a circular loop to weave it into a fabric. Fabric के बाद this goes to a extrusion coating and lamination machinery to add a barrier layer or a protective layer of polymer onto the fabric to protect against moisture, for better printing, etc. Post that, we have printing machines in our portfolio. Of course, this is to add branding material, product information onto the fabric. Then we have conversion machines of different kind. A cement bag conversion machine will convert fabric into a cement bag. A sugar bag converting machine will convert fabric into a sugar bag, for example. उसके बाद हमारे पास multi-filament spin draw wind line है in our portfolio. This makes polypropylene multi-filament yarn, which has various applications. For example, sewing thread is one of them. ये bag closing के काम आता है. Then we have recycling machines in our portfolio. This is mainly for in-house waste or industrial waste. This converts waste fabric, sack, tape back into polymer, which again goes back into a tape extrusion line. This covers the product portfolio of Lohia Corp Limited. Then we have our company in America called Lisona Corp. They make high performance fiber winding machines for applications such as aramid fiber, carbon fiber. Aramid fiber का यूज होता है bulletproof vest में. Carbon fiber का यूज होता है composite manufacturing में. They also make machine for medical applications such as medical sutures, जो wound की स्टिचिंग वगैरह में यूज होता है। Johnson and Johnson is a customer of Lisona Corp. Then हमारी कंपनी है इटली में OMGM Extrusion Technique. They make machinery for monofilament extrusion lines. इसके एप्लीकेशन होते हैं जैसे brushes, bristles, greenhouse nets, shade net, agro net, grass trimming lines, etc. They also make machinery for polyester strapping lines as well. Some key milestones in our journey. We produced our first machine in 1983. We established one of North India's first CNC shops in 1985 for in-house component manufacturing.